This is the Spark Paws rain jacket. This fits our 70-pound lab mix very well. His name's Coda. We do not use a harness. We use a neck collar here, so we do not use the turtleneck sleeve portion, but when it is on his head, he does not like it that much, but it works just fine with it down around his neck. And then there are bungee straps in the back that we do not use either. The middle straps really help hold on pretty well here, as you can see. They kind of hold down, and this thing is pretty nice for 25-30 bucks.
There's this great detail at the back to hook it around the legs, and there's a harness. Hello, Maddie. Harness underneath here that clips around on the sides. What we really like is the thickness for our neck. It can go over her, or even just sit back. She likes it.
Well, you know how sometimes when someone is doing things, it could be the next Bill Gates or Maya Angelou.
So the guy busted for stealing menthol cigarettes.
Say cheese. Oh, he's so cute. Can you see it? Yeah, fashion baby.